These ASMR slime face videos, where a slime version of a celebrity gets squeezed with two hands, are blowing up right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make one yourself for free without spending a single dollar on AI tools. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll walk you through the full process step by step. First, open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. If you don't see it right away, just click on Apps, then click GPTs, and it will take you there. Now search for a GPT called Slime Face and select the first one, then click Start Chat. This GPT gives you two options, but let's start with the first one first, and later I'll show you the second option as well. Click Start, and the GPT will ask you which character you want to use for the video and what kind of background table you want. Just type your answer in the prompt box. For better results, I recommend choosing a popular celebrity because that can help the video grab more attention. For this example, I'm going with Ronaldo, and for the background, I'll choose frosted glass. Now send the prompt. In a few seconds, the GPT will generate a main text-to-image prompt for your character, one video prompt, and 4 additional related character prompts. Since I chose Ronaldo, the related prompts are also popular footballers like Neymar, Ronaldinho, Messi, and others. So basically, you get similar character prompts based on the subject you choose, which makes it easier to create multiple scenes for your video. Now, let's move to the next step. Head over to FlexClip. I've put the link in the description below. Sign up for an account and open the editor. FlexClip is actually one of the easiest AI video tools I've tested. What I like about it is that it doesn't just do one thing. You can generate images, animate them into videos, and even edit everything together in one place, which saves a lot of time. First, let's generate the image. Click on AI Tools, then choose Text to Image. Change the generation model to Google Nano Banana 2. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the main image prompt, and paste it into FlexClip. For better results, I recommend downloading a reference image of your character from Google, especially if you're using a popular celebrity. It's optional, but it can help the AI stay more accurate. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts. Leave the image count at 1 or set it to 2 if you want a second variation to choose from. Also, make sure the visibility is set to private so nobody else can see your generated image. Now click Generate and wait for it to finish. Once it's ready, you should get something like this. You can download and save the image if you want to use it in other tools like Grok or Flow, or simply click Add to Media so it stays inside FlexClip. Now repeat the same process for the remaining character prompts so you have multiple images ready. Next, let's animate the image inside FlexClip. Go to Image to Video and change the video model to Veo 3.1 Fast. Click AI Image and select the image you just created. Then go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt that was generated below the image prompt, return to FlexClip, and paste it in. Keep the aspect ratio at 9:16. Choose your preferred duration, then click Generate. Wait a few moments, and your animated slime clip will be ready. Download and save it. Now just repeat this same process for the rest of your images so you can generate all the scenes for your video. Now here comes the best part, putting everything together inside FlexClip. Open the FlexClip video editor, create a new project, and choose your aspect ratio. Upload all your clips, or if they're already in your media library, just click Media and add them to the timeline one by one. Arrange them in order, add your background music, and make any quick adjustments you want. Once everything looks good, click Export to render the final video. This is why I like FlexClip for tutorials like this. Instead of jumping back and forth between multiple AI tools, you can generate, animate, and edit in one smooth workflow. If you want to try it yourself, I've left my link in the description below. Now, let's also try using Flow to animate the images. Head over to Flow and start a new project. Once it opens, click on the plus icon and upload the image you generated from FlexClip. Then change the generation mode to Image to Video. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, set the output to 1, and make sure the model is set to Veo 3.1 Fast. Now click Start Frame and select your image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it into Flow, and send it. Wait for the generation to finish and your video will be ready. Now download it and just repeat the same process for the remaining images. At this point, all your clips should be ready. Now let's put everything together to make one full video. For this part, open your video editor. I'll be using CapCut, but you can use any editor you like. Import all your clips and drag them into the timeline in order. Scene 1, Scene 2, and so on. Next, go to the Transitions section and choose transitions that match the style of your scenes, then apply them between each clip. You might notice a watermark at the bottom corner of the generated video. A simple way to hide it is by going to the text section and adding a default text layer. Stretch it across the screen, type your channel name, style it nicely, then reduce the size and position it directly over the watermark area. This way, it looks intentional and branded, instead of looking like you're covering something up. Once everything looks good, export the final video and upload it to your channel. And that's it! You now know how to create one of these viral slime face ASMR videos for free using ChatGPT, FlexClip, and Flow. I'll see you in the next one.